It's time for some hunting. Awesome arcade cabinet. Let's take a close look. Predator mode activated. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. In today's hunting video I just want to talk about some arcade cabinets. This is what we call the 40-inch dual arcade cabinet from a friend from China. I did a review about the TV box. Check it out if you're interested. And the TV box is also a very nice product. I really like it. Not perfect, but I came across this dual arcade cabinet. The reason why I'm making this hunting video is just wanted to point it out to you if you're interested in this very awesome, unique product. This one is built with a Pandora box number 9. So in short, the Pandora box number 9 is more like an upgraded Pandora box 5. And so far I know you cannot add new games. But I want to do a little shout out in this video. A little shout out to Retro Ralph. He made, together with Classic Kim, did I say it correctly? Yes, a review about this product. I'm not going to buy it, I just wanted to point out. So if you're interested in a full review and a testing, gameplay and etc., just check out the link in the description. I'm going to leave a link of this review. So yeah, did an amazing job, and I was thinking, yeah, let's point this out, share it with you, and check out this channel. Awesome guy. So yeah. This one is Pandora box 9. So far I remember Retro Ralph has the one with the Pandora box number 6. That one was pretty damn nice. Because of Pandora box 6 you can add new games. But what I really love about this, and this is the reason, I did a talking video together with Neo Gunlock about the dual arcade cabinet, and the one was made from plexiglass. And what I really love about this one, this thing is fully made of wood. And Retro Ralph was very satisfied with this one, and I can tell why, because it looks amazing. It's a very nice detail. Got 40-inch screens, and so far I know we're EPS screens, so they've got this very nice, bright, colorful color display. So yeah, again, check out this review. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this product? Would you even consider something like this? Yeah, it's going to take very important. The reason why I'm not going to buy this one is just a problem of space. This thing takes up a lot of space, and I don't have the room for it. So yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Choose and pick the best one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Select and make your first pick.